Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday, Judy at Judinka Nail Art, another Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Gems. Our theme today, Optical Illusion. What fun. Let's get into it. Today I'm using the Painted Desert Medium Square Natural Quick Gel Tips topped with IMK Bio Base, and I'll be using Glisten and Glow Fairy's Tryst. That's an old one from 2017. So pretty. We're going to just pop some of that onto these nails. I will be putting these on my fingertips at the end of the video, so I can do my swatch photo and everything. This is so pretty. It's silver, but it's got all kind of colors in it. It's just very, very fairy-like. So Fairy's Tryst is a good name for it. There we go with our second coat. We are going to do a third coat. I can still see through it pretty good, so I wanted to make sure I covered up good. Of course, Optical Illusion is going to change it. Here we go with our top coat. Today, this is INM out the door. Going around it, covering that tip and everything. Alright, there's the picture for the INM. It's out of place. The Beauty Collection 10 stamping plate, Maniology, straight up black. I lost my sticker. Got a cube stamper out, my H. Crusador scraper. This video's got all kind of problems going on with it, but we're going to get through it. I'm going to use different images from all over this plate because I really like some, mixy, matchy, different. And I'm playing hard. I will have a list of people that participated listed down in the information box down below, along with some hashtags if you'd like to go over on Instagram and check out the other Optical Illusion manicures. It's been a while since I played with one of my beauty plates, so I was happy I was able to get that one out and use it today. Very cool. These all pick up really well. Really nice stamping plates. Here we go. I'm going to pick out some more. Here we go. Just jamming along here. It is some basic stamping, but I think using the different images over that bling-tastic base color is it's just too fun. Too fun. And I only have 4 nails because when I was doing this, I'm going to just fess up now. When I was doing this, I was doing 2 manicures at the same time. I got confused and stamped the wrong thing on the thumbnail, so the thumbnail didn't make it to the end of this video. Alright, we're going to do our cleanup here real got some acetone on a cotton ball, and we're just going to clean up the scraper card and the stamping plate and that little mat. Got to flip that cotton ball over and go at it some more. Wipe it with a lint-free wipe. Get it ready to put away. Not too bad on the back. Didn't make too bad of a mess. Little stampy mat's covered up. Alright, so I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. Just a real quick thin coat of that. There we go. And once that's dry, I'll be using Sèche Vite to finish these off. There we go. I do hope Miss Judy has a wonderful birthday. I'm going to glue these on with those little fingernail glue tabs. There we go. Ta-da! Yay! There's my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.